The Ford Mustang is more than just a car, it is an icon, a symbol of American automotive ingenuity, and a testament to the enduring allure of speed, power, and freedom. Since its debut in 1964, the Mustang has captured the hearts of car enthusiasts around the world, becoming a cultural phenomenon that transcends generations. It is not merely a vehicle, it is a statement, a lifestyle, and a piece of history that continues to evolve with the times while staying true to its roots. The story of the Ford Mustang begins in the early 1960s, a time when the American automotive industry was undergoing significant changes. The post-war era had brought prosperity and a growing middle class, and with it, a demand for cars that were not only practical but also exciting and stylish. Ford, under the leadership of Lee Iacocca, recognized this shift and set out to create a car that would appeal to the younger generation, a car that was affordable, sporty, and packed with personality. The result was the Ford Mustang, unveiled at the New York World's Fair on April 17, 1964. It was an instant sensation, selling over 22,000 units on its first day and surpassing Ford's wildest expectations. What made the Mustang so special was its perfect blend of style, performance, and affordability. It was a car that looked like a luxury sports car but was priced within reach of the average American. Its long hood, short deck, and aggressive stance gave it a distinctive look that set it apart from anything else on the road. The Mustang was also highly customizable, offering a range of options that allowed buyers to tailor the car to their preferences, from engine choices to interior finishes. This versatility made it appealing to a wide audience, from young drivers looking for their first car to seasoned enthusiasts seeking a high-performance machine. The first-generation Mustang, often referred to as the 1964.5 model, set the standard for what would become known as the pony car class. It was available in three body styles: coupe, convertible, and fastback. Under the hood, buyers could choose from a variety of engines, starting with a modest 170 cubic inch inline-six and ranging up to a powerful 289 cubic inch V8. This combination of style and performance made the Mustang a hit on the street and the racetrack. It quickly became a favorite among drag racers and road course competitors, cementing its reputation as a true performance car. As the years went by, the Mustang continued to evolve, reflecting the changing tastes and technologies of the times. The 1970s brought challenges for the automotive industry, including stricter emissions regulations and the oil crisis, which led to a shift toward smaller, more fuel-efficient cars. The Mustang adapted, with the introduction of the Mustang II in 1974, a smaller, more economical version of the car. While some purists criticized this move, it helped keep the Mustang relevant during a difficult period and ensured its survival. The 1980s and 1990s saw the Mustang return to its performance roots, with the introduction of high-performance models like the Mustang GT and the iconic Mustang SVT Cobra. These cars featured advanced engineering and cutting-edge technology, such as fuel injection and independent rear suspension, which improved both performance and handling. The Mustang also became a pop culture icon during this time, appearing in movies, television shows, and music videos, further solidifying its status as a symbol of American cool. In 2005, Ford introduced the fifth-generation Mustang, a modern interpretation of the classic design that paid homage to the original while incorporating contemporary styling and technology. This generation was a huge success, reigniting interest in the Mustang and attracting a new generation of fans. It was followed by the sixth-generation Mustang in 2015, which marked a significant milestone in the car's history. For the first time, the Mustang was designed as a global car, with right-hand drive models available for markets outside North America. This move expanded the Mustang's reach and introduced it to a whole new audience. Today, the Ford Mustang continues to push the boundaries of performance and innovation. The latest models feature advanced technologies like turbocharged engines, hybrid powertrains, and state-of-the-art infotainment systems. The Mustang has also embraced the electric revolution with the introduction of the Mustang Mach-E, an all-electric SUV that combines the Mustang's signature style with zero-emission performance. While some traditionalists may question this departure from the Mustang's roots, it demonstrates Ford's commitment to staying ahead of the curve and ensuring the Mustang's relevance in a rapidly changing world. But the Ford Mustang is more than just a collection of specs and features, it is a symbol of freedom and individuality. It represents the open road, the thrill of the drive, and the joy of owning a car that is as unique as its driver. For many, the Mustang is a dream car, a goal to strive for, and a reward for hard work and dedication. It is a car that inspires passion and loyalty, with a dedicated community of owners and enthusiasts who celebrate its legacy and keep its spirit alive. The Mustang's impact extends beyond the automotive world. It has become a cultural icon, appearing in countless movies, TV shows, and songs. From Steve McQueen's legendary chase scene in Bullitt to the high-octane action of the Fast and Furious franchise, the Mustang has played a starring role in some of the most memorable moments in pop culture. It has also been a favorite among musicians, from Wilson Pickett's Mustang Sally to the Beastie Boys' Sabotage, further cementing its place in the cultural zeitgeist. In conclusion, the Ford Mustang is more than just a car, it is a legend. It is a testament to the power of innovation, the importance of adaptability, and the enduring appeal of great design. For over half a century, the Mustang has been a symbol of American automotive excellence, a car that embodies the spirit of freedom and adventure. As it continues to evolve and adapt to the challenges of the 21st century, one thing is certain: the Mustang will always be more than just a car. It will always be a Mustang.